What is a vision board? What is a dream board? It is basically a collection of images and affirmations of your dreams and your goals and all the things that you want to accomplish. You put them in graphics and you can use it to motivate you and inspire you to accomplish those things. You can make your vision board for anything that you desire, whether it's a job, a lifestyle, manifesting a person in your life, school related goals, anything that you want. You can use a vision board to help you bring your dreams to life. What do you need? How do you start it? You can use anything. Main things that you need for the vision board though is a base, adhesive, and sources of your images and your words. So for the base, you can use paper, cardboard, Bristol board, construction paper, any kind of paper you want to use. You could use a scrapbook, or you need to plan it first. So plan what you're going to use to get your pictures, whether you print it or you use old books and magazines, or if you don't have those, you can draw. If you're really good at drawing, you can paint it, or maybe even Photoshop pictures of you in the car that you want, in the house that you want, accomplishing the things that you want. Put pictures of yourself as well, so you can help like visualize actually accomplishing it. Like have people that look like you on your board. If you're not using pictures of yourself, look for images of people that look like you. Or you can use labels, like old labels of things you're no longer using, or you cut boxes, cut out the letters and the pictures and the images that you want if you don't have access to a printer. You can also draw your own words, paint your own stuff, get creative. Use stickers. So pick your theme, what you want to manifest. And then if you're doing like an entire life vision board in terms of different sections of your life or different avenues in your life, so you can have one for your family goals, one for your personal development goals, one for, I don't know, your academic goals, whatever you want. You can put them in sections and have the theme going for each one, or you can do an overall theme for the whole entire vision board. For your border, I have a fun idea. You can take a stapler. You know the staples, they come in a stack. You can paint those or color those with markers. So they are colored, and when you clip them down, you have colored staples, and you can do those around your border. Or you can punch holes and use a string or ribbon to make it extra nice. Or you can use tape, colored tape, stickers, anything you want to make it like extra inviting, extra attention seeking. So when you walk into the room, you're like, ooh, bright colors, you know, it attracts your eyes. And the reason you want it to be attractive is the images that you see continuously or what you pay attention to, it grows, and the more you pay attention, the more you notice it. So it's like liking pictures on Instagram. The more you like a certain kind of picture, the algorithm sets you up with more pictures like that. So bombarding your brain with the images of things that you actually want in your life could help you notice ways to be creative and get them. Or they could just, by the law of attraction, or just by visualizing it and paying attention to it, it could attract it into your life. And you should feel inspired when you look at it. You should be like, yes. Look at it, picture yourself doing those things, picture yourself accomplishing those things, living as though you have already done it. You can be creative. It doesn't have to be a regular square or a regular rectangle. You can make your vision board into a circle, a triangle, a parallelogram, whatever you want to make your shape into. You can be creative and make it personal to you. An idea that I have, if you want, you can stick it on your ceiling, and you can use boxes, or you can make boxes, or you can make like little pyramids and stick the images on the sides of the boxes and the sides of the pyramids, so you get like different angles. And when you put it on the ceiling, like you can look at it from any angle in your room and see the images but make sure that you tape it down well or you glue it down well, because you don't want to die by a paper cut. So be careful. So once you have your theme, once you have collected all your images or you've drawn all your images and you have everything ready to go, and you have planned like the different sections of your vision board or the structure that you want to have, the layout that you want to have, then place them. Make sure you like how everything looks and it fits well, and then you can start applying glue or applying tape and then making it stay there permanent. Your choice if you want to be specific on one goal or one area of your life, or if you just want an entire inspiration board for everything that you want. That's the way that I did mine. I did a dream life board. So everything that I want to try, everything that I want to have, everything I want to be and do, I have it all on one board. And I'm going to show it to you now. This is my dream board or my dream life inspiration board. That's your vision board where you can see it. Don't hide it away. Don't be embarrassed by it. Put it somewhere that your eyes go to naturally every day. If it's in your room, in your bathroom, next to your mirror, behind your mirror, so you see it when you look in the mirror. Put it somewhere that you can see it. You want to see it as much as possible. Get those images in your brain. Get them seasoned there. So the better chances you have of manifesting what you want. You can make your vision board digitally, but I like mine being physical. I like the idea of seeing it as much as possible and being able to touch it, being able to be like, this is going to be me. I'm going to do this. This is going to be my life. Like really having something to touch and being like, yes, this is my life, and just looking at it all day or as much as many times as I can and being like, this is me. You know, get those images in your mind. When you close your eyes, you can still see it. Magic is gonna happen. That's how the magic works. You can make this an event with your family or your siblings or your friends. Like come together, play some music, watch some movies, watch some videos, some YouTube videos, and have some snacks. Make it a thing, but don't like have juice and stuff, like soda and stuff, because you're gonna spill and mess it up. Like don't play and just have fun sharing your ideas with each other and making your vision boards together, and you can help support each other in accomplishing what each other has on the board. We are currently in quarantine. Most of us have nothing to do, lots of time on our hands, and some of us are saying, oh, we're gonna do this, or I would like to do this after the quarantine ends. If you really weren't satisfied with your life before you had to stay home, use this opportunity to plan what you're going to do afterwards. Not just say, oh, it would be nice to, or maybe I should try this. No, actually come up with your plans, see your goals, put them out on a physical thing for you to see. Like make your list of your goals, make vision boards of your goals, and really plan for it. Not just talk about it, not just picture it like, oh, it'd be nice to do this. Really plan it and do it. This is an opportunity for you to do that and really think about how you want your life to change when the world resumes the regular scheduled programming. Get your stuff together. Now is the time. Now is perfect time to get your life together. If you do follow some of the tips that I gave and you make your own vision board, I want to see it because I am nosy and really excited and obsessed with them. So if you want to, you can share your vision board, your dream board, whatever you want to call it, with me. I want to see them. So you can send a picture to me on Instagram or tag me on Instagram at TahrifaTheDreamer, because I really want to see them. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this topic as much as I did. Thank you for watching. Go try it. Go get your life together. Okay? Okay, bye.